Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on enabling and disabling cookies on Safari for iPad. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Start by opening the Settings app. In Settings, scroll down and tap on Safari. In the Privacy and Security settings for Safari, there is an option called Block All Cookies. Enable this option to prevent all websites from saving cookies on your iPad, or disable it to allow cookies again. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more iPad tips and tricks.